All right, so there are questions like this on the homework, and I realize I didn't go over this in the video. Sorry about that. So if we're given this point on the terminal side in standard form, we want to find the exact value of the trigonometric functions. Well, the trigonometric functions, this is sine, cosine, tangent, and their reciprocals. So cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Okay, and then all we're going to do here is we're going to graph this. So let's pull up our graph. And we have the point 5, -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So that's going to be about right there. Okay, and we can draw this angle. So this would be our initial side, right? This would be our terminal side. And then I could just create a triangle from this. Okay, there. Oh, that should be right on the 5. Create a triangle. And theta is right here. Okay, so this point is 5, -2, which means that this length here is 5, and this length here is -2. And I get that a length can't be negative, but since it's in the 4th quadrant and all the y values there are negative, since we're working in the quadrants, that's why we're going to say, well, that is negative. Okay. And I could just find what the hypotenuse here is because I created a right triangle. I can just use Pythagorean theorem. So this is going to be 5 squared plus -2 squared equals c squared. So that's 25 plus 4 equals c squared. So 29 equals c squared, which means c equals the square root of 29. And we're just going to say the hypotenuse is always positive. Okay, so then here we need to find sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. Well, let's find sine, cosine, and tangent first using SOHCAHTOA. So from this angle, the opposite side is -2, the adjacent side is 5, and the hypotenuse is square root of 29. So sine's going to be opposite over hypotenuse, which is -2 over the square root of 29. And I'm not going to rationalize it because you don't have to in the homework, so we're just not going to worry about it. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so this is 5 over the square root of 29. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so -2 over 5. Cosecant and sine are reciprocals. So I can just flip this. And this is going to be square root of 29 over 2. Same with cosine and secant. I could just flip this, and I get square root of 29. Oh, this one should have been negative, sorry. Over 5. Same thing here. I could just flip this, so I have -5 over 2. Cool? Okay.